Binance Nigeria's money laundering trial delayed, and former FTX Europe head pays highest sum ever for Titanic memorabilia. You're watching CoinDesk Daily. I'm your host, Jen Sanasie. BlackRock expects a new wave of inflows from a different type of investor. Robert Mitchnick, head of digital assets for the world's largest asset management company, said that sovereign wealth funds, pension funds, and endowments could start to trade in spot ETFs. He added that the firm is seeing a reinitiation of the discussions around Bitcoin and how to think about it from a portfolio construction perspective. Mitchnick says BlackRock is playing a role from an education perspective while the firms are doing ongoing diligence and research. BlackRock's IBIT had its first ever day of outflows, with $36.9 million exiting the fund on Wednesday. Binance Nigeria's money laundering trial has been delayed to May 17th, according to a spokesperson for the family of detained executive Tigran Gambarian. The trial was expected to occur today, but was pushed back. Reuters reported that Binance's lawyer complained in court that he had not been served with the additional proof of evidence that he needed to prepare the case. He was then served in court, and the judge allowed him more time to scrutinize the evidence, which is reportedly 300 pages long. Gambarian is a U.S. citizen and Binance's head of financial compliance. He was detained in Nigeria alongside British Kenyan regional manager for Africa, Nadeem Andrewala, in February. The company, alongside the executives, was given charges related to anti-money laundering and tax evasion almost a month later. And the former FTX Europe head has paid the highest sum ever at auction for a piece of Titanic memorabilia. Patrick Gruhn paid nearly $1.5 million for a gold pocket watch that was recovered from the body of the Titanic's richest passenger. That's according to a report by the Wall Street Journal. The watch belonged to American property magnate John Jacob Astor IV, who was returning from a European honeymoon with his pregnant wife. Gruhn said he used the money earned from the sale of his companies to buy the watch for his wife, and that they would display it in museums. Last year, the FTX bankruptcy estate asked a court to recover more than $300 million from FTX Europe leadership. Later, as part of a settlement, Gruhn and others agreed to buy back FTX's European assets for about $33 million. That's it for CoinDesk Daily. Get more updates on CoinDesk.com, and we'll see you next time.